Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to get Heian Sukuna in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Firstly, navigate to the Jujutsu Shenanigans game on the page on Roblox. Select Create Private Server and configure your server settings. Join your newly created private server. Once there, click the plus icon located in the top left corner to access server settings. Activate the free build mode to allow custom block creation. If you wish to reset your current moveset in build mode, create a touch block and assign it an input ID. Construct an erase block with the same input ID and interact with the touch block to clear your moveset. In build mode, create a touch block and assign it to a unique input ID, like Sukuna 1. For each desired move, create a moveset block with the same input ID as the touch block. Within each moveset block, specify the move name in the move name field. The Heian era Sukuna moves include Strong Dismantle, Open Furence, Cleave, Rush, and Kamutoki. Assign each move to a different key and set appropriate cooldowns. Ensure the touch block is positioned within proximity in the moveset blocks to establish a connection. Arrows should appear in the round the touch block, indicating successful linkage. Exit build mode. Interacting with the touch block will now grant you access to the Heian era Sukuna moveset. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.